show you guys a little bit here. Power pole. What? Wait a minute. Why do I got two of these things, guys? What is going on here? Let's talk about it a little bit, guys. All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back. Another episode of Bass and Furious here. So, like I mentioned in my last video, guys, I wanted to show you guys a couple of things here that I'm doing to the boat. They're a little bit different. I showed you guys the power pole before that I had on my boat, but I'll be honest with you guys, I only used it maybe a couple times. Didn't quite probably use it as much as I should have. Just kind of got it installed. I ran it one time when I had my kid in there, but it just, the way where I had it set up at just wasn't working good, so didn't quite use it that much. But that was last season. This season I fully intended to use it. I plan to fish the Potomac, and on that place you really want to stay put on your spot, so it's huge to have some kind of shallow water anchor system. And I plan on using it, and I went to kick it off for my first tournament of the year. Got nothing, wasn't working. Called Power Pole, talked to them, told me to try a couple things, the jlmarine, whatever, told me to try a couple things, tried it, wasn't working. I was like, man, I got frustrated. Had another tournament, didn't get to use it. Another tournament, didn't get to use it. Followed up with Power Pole again. Hey guys, this thing's not working, what should I do? Sent an email, made a phone call, whatever the case may be, and lo and behold, man, the very next day they called me back. We discussed it, we went through some troubleshooting, things like that or whatever. And yeah, my unit actually, I mean, I only used it maybe a couple times last year, which kind of sucks, but come to find out this year when I went to use it, it wasn't working. So I mean, what am I supposed to do at that point? I just spent $600 on it. I spent $100 on a pole, almost $700 system, and it ain't working. Kind of frustrating. I got a little boat, I really need to get out on the water, I really need that pole. It's not working. So the good people at jlmarine Power Pole, man, guys, yo, because it's covered, it's under the warranty, ended up sending me a new one. Hey, get this, guys, a new one. So I showed you guys I had two. I really don't have two. One ain't working, one's working phenomenally. So figured I'd take you guys along with me today, show you guys a little bit about the power pole. I have it on the boat. This isn't where it's actually going to be at when I actually go fishing tournaments, but it's on the boat now, so I figured I'd walk you guys kind of through it, and the accessories and stuff I picked up for it. So like I mentioned, I got one. This is the one I had. It's been on there for a little while. I used it a few times. It's not working. You guys can take a look at it all. Basically, all I got to do is send this one back to them within 30 days, and then I got the new one good to go. Of course, what we're talking about today is the Power Pole shallow water anchor system. Here it is in all its glory. Show you guys that. Couple of buttons up top. Basically what you do, guys, and I've also added the little clamp here. I messed up this part on the back, but I'll get that fixed. But I added a little clamp here on it. Just basically clamp it to the side of your boat. Sorry guys, got the rain coming down. Clamp it to the side of your boat or wherever you're at on the boat, and you're good to go. All right guys, I'm gonna back up here out of the rain. But basically that's what it does. The Power Pole micro anchor, it comes, you have to buy an anchor spike that's usually separate. You get the anchor spike, you get the anchor, keep things rolling there as well. But what I added for mine is and not new, it's been out for a while, is the battery pack, guys. So it comes with a battery pack. You can hook it to your main battery, that's cool, no problem there. Just do positive, negative, and hook it up and it's good to go. But this one, powered by the Sea Monster system, it's the micro anchor Power Pole battery pack with a charger. So basically what you do is you take this battery pack, you charge it up in your house, so you plug it in, charge it up with the battery pack, and it's good to go. It comes with this little bracket right here that you hook to the actual unit. So I'll show you guys that. Has this little bracket right here that you got to connect. The rain stopped, so I'll try to take this out and show you guys. All right, so basically remove battery when not in use. You take this part. This is the little clamp system, which you'll notice is different on this one. It's not there. It has a little strip for it, but it's not there. So the little clamp part that comes on there comes with a little mechanism here that you just screw it in, tighten it in. Take the battery pack, hook it into the back. Sorry guys. Hook into the back, make sure you get that good clamp sound, and boom, you're good to go. So just to set it up, to get it to cycle through, you push these two buttons at the same time. It'll start to cycle through. It'll get the right amount of force it needs, so going into the ground and coming back up based on the distance that you're at, it's good to go. Boom, it's locked, you're done. That's all you got to do. And then when you want to actually use it, all it is a double tap, boop boop, and boom, just like that, guys. It cycles to make sure that it's good at the bottom. It usually gives you 3 good hard pushes there. Boom. The other benefit though, the micro system comes with a remote. So even though I got a micro anchor, little power pole deal, it's not the big, you know, power pole 8-foot, 12-foot deal, but, well, this is 8-foot, but it's not the big one that you guys see on all the big bass boats, but it comes with a remote. If I want to go back up, double tap. You guys see, boom, just like that. And then I'm in business, guys. So I pull up on my spot. I want to catch a bass. I want to lay there. I want to flip some lily pads. I want to stay at the grass. I get bit. I want to do it. The other benefit, guys, and I'll walk you guys up to the front of my boat. I got it mounted up here. Has a foot thing as well. So let me show you guys real quick. Same thing on this remote. Got the same buttons. You program it, double tap. I'll show you guys real quick. Boop, boop. Double tap. Let's go back to the thing. Boom. I know I sound uber excited, guys. I know this is old for a lot of you guys, but if it's not old for you, then you got to see. How does it stick in the ground? Show you guys. It's digging into my yard, man. Like it's legit. So I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys, just showing you this is the micro anchor system. Of course, comes in a nice box. You got all the stuff, but huge shout out to Power Pole, man. Power Pole, these guys are fantastic, man. They got the thing called. I had an issue. They fixed the issue. Is it jlmarine? Yeah, they fixed the issue. They tried to walk me through fixing the issue. That didn't work. We decided just to get. They sent me a new one. It's under warranty, so it doesn't cost anything unless you don't ship it back. Then they will charge you for a unit. But I plan to ship it back because it ain't working, right? So we're gonna ship it back. But with that being said, guys, I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. This is Bass and Furious talking about the Power Pole micro system. So again, the key pieces, you can pick up that battery pack. It is $199 for the battery pack. Power Pole is $5.99. Spike is like $99. Try to find it on sale. Try to find a deal. When I bought my Power Pole micro, there was a $100 rebate. So actually, I paid $5.99, but I got $100 back in the mail. You get that rebate like really quickly. Like, so it's really good. They're really good about getting stuff out to you, getting it right back to you. So battery pack, if you want, pick it up. It's good for your kayak guys, good for me because I like to use it in my boat, but also want to bring it on my buddy's boat, and I don't want to have to rewire his whole deal. Just bring my battery pack, hook it up on the side, clamp it down with the little clamp thing. That's $49.99. So clamp is $49.99. Take that, man. You can take that with you anywhere, throw it in any boat, switch boats, whatever the case may be, and it's good. I think it holds up to like a pretty good amount of weight on the boat. Mine's a 16-foot boat, so it's going to hold mine pretty well, your kayak guys pretty well. I don't recommend putting it on, obviously, your big bass boat. Just get the regular Power Pole. Go figure. But if you want to use it for the smaller ones like mine, you want to stay put, you're getting tired of getting blown around, even with that remote, if I hop out, if I drop my boat off at the thing, and I want to do like the big boys do, you know, the guys with the 21-footers, 20-footers, I just hit my little remote. Show you guys that again. Double tap. Boop, boop. And it's going up. You guys can't see it, but it's going up. Well, if I'm at the ramp and I want to do it, I don't want it to go up because then my boat gonna float away. So I double tap down. My boat now is gonna stay put like everybody else is. I can go park my truck. I come back down. I'm ready to fish the tournament. Let's go. Let's get it. So I'm excited, guys. This is good. Power Pole says this battery pack can give you quite a few cycles. So I'm excited to see how good it's gonna do. I'll charge it up, have it ready to go for tournament day, and we'll get it in. So thanks again for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. As always, we're talking Power Pole, fishing, everything's fishing related on this channel for the most part. Maybe some soccer, maybe some basketball, and some church. But it's all good. God is still good. Having a great time. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace, peace. Power Pole. Let's go. I'm out.